Myself Shilpa, and I am from Anantapur district, and I completed my graduation in B.Tech Mechanical from the college JNTUA Engineering Anantapur with the CGPA 8.5. After completing my graduation, I joined the Pyspiders in BTM branch. The faculties in the branch helped me to gain more knowledge in the technical skills and along with the communication skills by conducting like mocks and presentations, and by that I gain more knowledge and confidence to get a job as a junior Python developer with a package of with a good package. I would like to thank the Niranjan sir who helped me to gain confidence and technical knowledge to get placed, and I want to thank the whole team in the Pyspiders also.